Welcome to Knowledge Sharing Video by Nagaraj Patil.
In this session, we are going to see in NX CAM how you can use artificial intelligence to make machining suggestion. By using artificial intelligence, you can automate, optimize manufacturing processes, generative AI processing for comprehensive machining solutions, personalized suggestion based on your historical machining data. This means earlier if you have done any similar component and you want to take the suggestions from the previous component, you can take it. Once you add it in a rule, next time onwards, you can use the existing data. Either you can use AI suggestion or you can use your existing data. By single clicking the single feature, it will recognize us and processes all the operations. Directly transforms a single phase selection into complete machining process instantly. This is nothing but an enhancement in existing feature based machining which saves users time and efforts. AI make machining suggestion is currently present in NXX. It starts from 2512 version. Let's see in NXX software. First of all, you have to keep selection filter as face. Then you need to select a face on which you want to generate a toolpath. First I will take this one. Right click on the surface. Here you will get make machining suggestion. Once you click that one, now you can see here make machining suggestion is coming. Whether you want to generate a toolpath based on AI based suggestion or you want to use your existing data which you have given as suggestion. So now I will take AI based suggestion. Here you can see the suggestions which the software has given, automated one. Here you can see the feature type is surface planar and AI suggestion is like augmented suggestion, where in first suggestion it is mentioning floor and wall with and end mill diameter of 20, flute length 38, length 45, number of flutes 4. This is the first suggestion and this is the second suggestion. Which strategy you want to do, you select that, like click on this toggle, then you need to say okay. Now you may see this progression here loading. Now computer has generated toolpath. You can see the group and it has done cavity mill with this strategy. Now I will select this face, make machining suggestion. You may observe I have selected this single face and it has selected entire feature. Now I kept on AI based suggestion and this toggle is on, automatically generate AI based suggestion. It is recognizing the feature, accordingly it will suggest a toolpath. Now it has mentioned floor and wall cavity mill with this one, so I will take floor and wall this time. So it started generating the toolpath. Now it has generated the toolpath. You can observe here. Similarly, I am going to select this pocket, right click, make machining suggestion. So I have selected this wall, it has selected entire feature. It is getting generated now, processing. It is showing floor and wall, floor and wall, here floor and wall and floor and wall. Whichever you want, you toggle on and say okay. It has also generated. You may observe Now it is coming from downward direction. If you want to change the direction, you can change it. Sometime whatever approach you have taken, if that is not okay, if you want to change approach angle, depth per cut and other thing, you can directly go into this and you can make changes according to your need. Now it 0.5 is depth per cut, I will make 1 mm and step over 40. So the tool axis, it's coming downward direction. Now I will change it to reverse the direction so that my operation should be machined from this side. So I will generate once again. Now can you see the changes done? Sometime if these changes, if you want to suggest back to the AI, then what you need to do, right click on this, go to the object. Here there is an option add as suggestion. Click on add as suggestion. So it will ask you the name of that suggestion. I will mention suggestion 1. Say okay. So that will be there in the memory. Next time whenever I take the similar type of a feature, sometime as I know this feature is similar to this one, I want to use the data which I have given earlier or few minutes back. So that I want to use, that comes under rule based suggestion, which data you have given to the software. This is automatic suggestion which software is suggesting. This one is the suggestion which I have given previously. So I will take this. Sometime if you are changing feed speed, whatever the strategy you want to change and give it as a suggestion. So next time onwards it will generate as it is. So like this you have to use AI to generate a toolpath. Sometimes the strategy which you use through AI may not be suffice. That time you can use your existing data from menu, tools, make machining suggestion, import historical data, and you need to select the component which you have machined in a similar fashion, and you want to have the attributes which I have given in the previous component. So it will extract all the data, machining data from your component, and the tools and parameters, everything it will extract from that project, and it will save in your tool library and in your machine knowledge. Then when you go for a make machining suggestion, AI will suggest whatever the data you have taken, that is also listed. You can see this personalized suggestion which is from your previous data set or the data which is extracted from that particular project. Like this you can use, and you can make use of your existing data, and easily you can generate the toolpaths.
Thanks for watching complete video. Like the video, which motivates me. Subscribe and press bell icon to get update.